Guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I take care of my skin before I go to bed. This is a nighttime routine that I always do. Now I'm going to take out my makeup and I'm using these wipes from Tea Tree. I'm applying the Yves Rocher micellar water. This is a 2-in-1 water. You can use it as a toner and as a makeup remover product. So I'm going to clean out my makeup now. That's what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to cleanse my face and I'm using the Yves Rocher Purifying Cleansing Gel. This one is amazing for combination skin. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for almost a month now and I really do love it. It's a foaming gel, so I'm going to wash up my face with that. Now I'm going to tone my skin, and I have been using the Neutrogena Rapid Clear because I want to really fight the scars on my face. I want to cleanse every single scar on my face, and this has been working for me. It's helped fight breakouts as well because I break out almost every day, so this one has really helped me. I'm going to leave the details of this product on the screen so you guys can see. And then finally, once I've toned my face and it's looking all fresh, you guys can see that there are no oils. I need to hydrate my skin. You guys, moisturizers are so important, and I've been using this one as a nighttime moisturizer. This one is Germain de Cappuccini. I mentioned that I got this product from the Be Natural Spa, and this one has been so amazing. It's a no stress hydrating cream and I absolutely love it. I love how my face looks in the morning after I use this particular product at night. So yeah, this is just my simple nighttime routine. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. This video is very quick, very fast. I just wanted to show you guys how I take care of my skin before I go to bed. If you'd like to see more skincare videos, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Do stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I post up a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.